international news tonight, North Korea has conducted a large-scale underground nuclear test, as well as 2 short-range and 1 long-range nuclear missile which could conceivably hit the west coast of the United States. For reaction now, we go to Ban Ki-moon of the United Nations.
You better not! You better not! You better stop! You are very, very, very bad dictator! Bad! Shame on you! Shame on you! Bad dictator! Very bad! Very bad! We turn the Security Council around! You keep it up! You keep it up! We turn the Security Council around and we put you in timeout! You a very bad dictator! You go to bed without your porn in your liquor. Yeah, we'll send you to bed without porn and liquor, and you want no more westerns for you. You very, very bad dictator. Very bad. No.